Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to cover a topic which I think will be useful and more relevant to the current situation: lockdown. Right? So, when you have lockdown, do you believe that our bikes, although they are not moving around, do they still need maintenance? Yes, my friends, unfortunately, they do need maintenance even when not being used. So, here's my Versus. This is a 2020 model Versus which I got a week ago, and there are certain things which I would love to take care, although my bike is not being used. Right. So what are those things which should be taken care, and how when the bike is not being used? Right. So first and foremost, please make sure the bike is clean. Right. When your bike is clean, you know that there's nothing sitting on it, there's no bird dropping on the paint either, right? Either on your paint finishes or your dashboard or wherever, because the bird dropping is quite acidic and can ruin the paintwork or the bodywork. So please ensure you keep your bike clean, and preferably wash it off with plain water and microfiber cloth, something like this, or you get a better ones also. So that's the first and foremost thing. And when the bike is not being used, you're not being able to take it out anywhere, please make sure that you don't store tank full of fuel in any of the motorcycles. Right, this is 21-liter tank, so never go ahead and store a lot of fuel, because you really do not know when you are going to consume it. Right, because over a period of time, say I don't think in 1 month, but at least few months, if you let the fuel be in the tank, it's going to break down, and then can lead to blockages in the fuel system. So just to avoid that, just maintain say 5-6 liters of fuel in this context, say about 30% of the tank, so that because you need to start the bike twice a week at least, right, and idle it for at least 5 minutes if you cannot really go ahead and take a trip around your place. So idle it for 5 minutes 2 times a week, to make sure the battery what is there on your bike gets charged up and retains the charge as well, and also the engine parts are put into motion, and the engine oil circulates within the engine, and to keep the parts moving and active. That's one thing. And another thing is, when you wash your bike off, just make sure to lube the moving parts. Right, take the extra moisture off, lube the moving parts, especially the the footrest, the brake lever, pivot joints, etc., to avoid rusting. So this is another point which is a very vital point, which you would like to lube it. Right, so just a little bit, not too much, and if you think you spilled extra, please make sure wipe it off, even otherwise nothing would happen. So just make sure all these points are lubed well, so that they don't get jammed up any point in time. Right, so very few points, just you don't need to use too much of lube, too much of WD-40, but a little bit of it would do to keep it rust free. And please remember, never use WD-40 on your brake calipers. Okay, because for brake calipers you will need to use the brake cleaner, which is commercially available. This would lead to reduced braking performance for a few kilometers if you happen to put this on the rotor or on the pads, so avoid that. And what are the other points? Okay, so there are these little screws, right? Just a little bit of it to prevent any kind of rust formation. And important point again, the brake levers, okay, and the electricals. And if you happen to spill it, I suggest wipe it off, because I don't want this to fall on the paint. Nothing would happen, but still, why to take a chance, right? So and there are not too many points, there are just very few points what you need to, you know, lube. And guys, also remember, when you use the bike or not use the bike, it is equally important to make sure you maintain the drive chain. Okay, the drive chain maintenance continues irrespective of use or non-use. Okay, so make sure you maintain the drive chain, clean the chain on a timely manner as per the schedule, and clean the chain as per the schedule, and also lube it. So all these things are going to help you maintain the bike in a pristine condition. So please do take care of all that, because it just hardly takes a few minutes to do all this. And alright, so we're done with the switches. So important point is also the ignition, right? Yes, my friends, you can spray a little bit of WD-40 right into the keyhole as well. Okay, and another point is I think I'm at the end of the can probably. Okay, all right, so okay, there it goes. All right, that should be good enough. So I think we are done with most of the points where we need to put in a little bit of WD-40 to prevent any kind of rusting or any other issues due to the environment. Alright, and last thing, or not the last thing, but I think another important thing is keep the bike in a shaded portion. If you do not have an access to a shaded portion, please make sure put a cover on, right? This is the cover what I have for this bike. You can put a cover on to protect your paint surface or finishes. So yes, guys, these are few basic things. I know this particular bike Versys comes with a side stand. Had it had a center stand, I would have preferred to keep the wheels suspended, right? Because if the wheels are kept suspended, it would retain the tire pressure for much longer time. So since I do not have it, probably I have to live with it. So these are few things what I would perform as very basic checks on the bike, even when I'm using the bike or not using the bike, right? So another thing is I discovered a small nail in the tire. So I ordered a product which I am going to, you know, use it and share the video with you. When I pull this out, I'm going to install the product, pull this out and show you how the product fixes the puncture. that's for some other day. And another thing what I'm going to show you is this particular spot on the mirrors is a blind spot. So when you are riding, mostly your shoulders cover this much of area, right? This much of area is covered by the shoulders. So I'm going to install another product and show you in the next video how that works well or not. So guys, stay tuned and do take care of yourselves, and talk to you all soon. Bye bye.